As the team at Jiangsu Rongsu Textile Co., Limited, a comprehensive manufacturing enterprise specializing in the development, production, and trade of yarn-dyed fabrics, we are proud that our company design and quality are the forefront of the industry. Our dedication to quality is reflected in our achievement of the ISO 9001-2008 Quality System certification, as well as certifications from Okotex, GOTS, OX, GRS, BCI, SVCOC, and European Flats. Within our modern standard workshop, we have a skilled workforce of over 200 individuals, including more than 30 professional and technical personnel. Our production capabilities are supported by over 130 international advanced jam pins, Sudacoma airjet looms, and 30 belges, Begala large rapier looms, enabling us to achieve an output of more than 2 million meters each month. Our diverse range of products includes high-density poplin, seersucker, jacquard/dobby cloth, spandex fabric, linen cotton fabric, flannel, TR fabric, double-layer fabric, crepe, and a variety of warm, wicking, and quick-dry functional fabrics. These products are widely exported to Europe, the United States, Japan, South Korea, Hong Kong, and various Southeast Asian countries, showcasing our global presence and commitment to excellence. At our company, we are dedicated to providing professional, fast, and high-quality service to meet customer demands, guided by the principle, customer first, quality first, delivery first. We are committed to offering the best quality and the most competitive prices, tailored to the specific requirements of our customers. We sincerely hope to establish friendly and mutually beneficial cooperative relationships with new and existing customers worldwide as we work together to create a bright and prosperous future.